Good morning guys, it's Colin here from Auto Clarity in Southport. Got this one, lovely transporter, cracking looking thing. We've put the front splitter at the front of it, the side bars on the bottom there, and the 20-inch rims. This looks fantastic. Well, really good looking van this. It was originally a Trendline. And like I say, we've just cheered it up with a bit of a kit on it, but it's a real head turner, to be fair. They look great, these vans, they're timeless. So, quick walk around video so you can see it in greater detail. It's really nice and clean all the way around. The alloys are refurbed, all of them, so they're all like brand new. Nice and clean inside as well, this van. If the door was open, that would help. Just open the door. So you got the protector as well around there. Armour plate. It's all been ply lined inside, lovely and clean. All ready for work. Again, nice and clean around the back end. It's got the parking sensors as well, but there's no real damage to the van at all. And like I say, nice and clean inside. There's your alloys, and like I say, there's no damage, dents, dinks or anything like that down the side of the van. And there's your front wheel, and there's your bar at the bottom, which really sets it off. So you've got a set of mats inside it as well, which are fitted specific to a transporter. Just start it up for you. So it starts fine. It's full VW history, this one. We bought the van, sorry, direct from VWFS fleet. So it's all full VW history. It's due a service now, which we'll do before it goes out. So it'll come with 12 months MOT and a service. But guys, if you're interested in this van, I can't see it hanging around too long, especially looking the way it does. So do give us a call here at Auto Clarity. Always willing to help. Finance is available. We take a part exchange as well. So hope to hear from you soon. Cheers guys.